SafePal Wallet Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to SafePal Wallet are in the description. SafePal is a comprehensive hardware and software crypto wallet that integrates seamless staking features, offering a secure and user-friendly way to manage your assets and earn staking rewards. It is designed for crypto users who prioritize security without sacrificing convenience, providing a safe environment for holding and staking multiple cryptocurrencies. SafePal supports a wide range of assets like BTC, ETH, BNB, DOT, and others, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto investors. The staking functionality is simple and efficient, allowing you to stake supported tokens directly from your SafePal wallet. Once you've selected your asset, you can easily delegate your tokens to a validator with just a few clicks. The process is smooth, and the platform handles everything from reward distribution to staking duration. Staking is available for various blockchain networks, including Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Polkadot, and Cosmos, which broadens the platform's appeal to users looking to stake across multiple networks. In terms of security, SafePal doesn't compromise. Its hardware wallet integration ensures that your private keys are kept offline, providing an additional layer of protection against hacking or phishing attacks. Additionally, the wallet offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, encrypted key storage, and backup options, giving users peace of mind knowing their assets are secure. For anyone who values simplicity, security, and versatility, SafePal is a great option for staking. Whether you're new to the crypto space or an experienced user, the easy-to-use interface and powerful security features make SafePal Wallet an excellent tool for both storing and staking your crypto assets. Check out the links in the description to get started with SafePal today.